Hello guys, hope you guys doing well. Today's topic is Sys module in Python. The Python Sys module provides functions and variables which are used to manipulate different parts of the Python runtime environment. It lets us access system specific parameters and functions. So let's discuss on these functions what you seen on the screen. Import sys. First, we have to import the sys module in our program before running any functions. Sys modules. This function provides the name of the existing Python modules which have been imported. Sys argv. argv. This function returns a list of command line arguments passed to a Python script. The name of the script is always the item at index 0, and the rest of the arguments are sorted at subsequent indices. Sys base exec prefix. This function provides an efficient way to the same value as exec prefix. It is not running a virtual environment. The value will remain the same. Sys base prefix, base underscore prefix. It is set up during Python startup before site.py is run to the same value as prefix. Sys.byte order. It is an indication of the native byte order that provides an efficient way to do something. Sys.maxSize. This function returns the largest integer of a variable. Sys.path. This function shows the Python path set in the current system. It is an environment variable that is a search path for all the Python modules. Sys.stdin. It is an object that contains the original values of stdin at the start of the program and used during finalization. It can restore the files. Sys.getRefCount. This function returns the reference count of an object. Sys.exit. This function is used to exit from either the Python console or command prompt, and also used to exit from the program in case of an exception. 6. This executable. The value of this function is the absolute path to a Python interpreter. It is useful for knowing where Python is installed on someone else's machine. The final one was sys platform. This value of this function is used to identify the platform on which we are working. These are the sys modules in Python. So just I have given the brief explanation about the sys modules. Hope you guys understood. And if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. This is the end of this session. Hope to join you next session. Take care. Bye.